Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court refuses urgent hearing of plea challenging Delhi High Court order, allowing exchange of Rs 2,000 notes without ID proof. Sexual assault on dead body, not rape, holds Karnataka High Court, asks government to make law on necrophilia. Delhi High Court dismisses PIL, challenging appointment of DU Vice Chancellor. Delhi Court extends custodial interrogation of accused for 3 days in the Shahbad Dairy murder case. Delhi Court grants time to CBI for filing supplementary charge sheet in the land for job scam case against Lalu Yadav and family. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The order of the Delhi High Court dated May 29th that allowed the exchange of Rs 2,000 currency notes without any identification proof or obtaining a requisition slip was challenged in the Supreme Court. The apex court refused to list the matter for urgent hearing. The plea was filed by Advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay, who submitted that the High Court failed to appreciate the RBI and SBI notification, calling the said notifications arbitrary and irrational and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. The petitioner seeks that Rs 2,000 banknotes be deposited only in bank accounts to prevent the hoarding of black money and to curb corruption in the nation. The bench, comprising Justices Sudhanshu Dhulia and K.V. Vishwanathan, told the petitioner that the apex court will not be taking up the matter during the vacation and that the petitioner can always make a mention before the CJI. The division bench of the Karnataka High Court, comprising Justices B. Virappa and Venkatesh Nayak T, held that sexual assault of a dead woman will not attract the offence as provided under Section 376 of the Indian Penal Code. The High Court recommended the Union Government to amend the said section to add the term dead body, so the culprits indulging in such acts can be punished with a term up to life imprisonment. The court added that unfortunately in India, no specific legislation has been enacted, including under the Indian Penal Code, for upholding the dignity and protection of rights of dead persons, especially women. Referring to the case before the court said that the accused first murdered the victim and then committed sexual intercourse with her dead body. It can, however, not be held a sexual or unnatural offence, as provided under Section 375 and 377 respectively. At most, it can be considered sadism or necrophilia. The High Court of Delhi dismissed a public interest litigation challenging the appointment of the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University, Professor Yogesh Singh, on basis of news reports alleging that Yogesh Singh did not have requisite qualifications and that his appointment was in violation of rules. The counsel for the petitioner referred to news reports claiming that only Singh's name was sent for consideration to the President of India. However, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta and Additional Solicitor General Vikramjit Banerjee, appearing for the authorities, apprised the court with the fact that a panel containing the names of 5 eligible candidates was submitted to the President. The High Court observed that the news report is not Bhagavad Gita and dismissed the PIL with cause. A Delhi court extended the custodial interrogation of the accused in the Shahbad Dairy murder case for 3 days. Mohammad Sahil, who is only 20 years old, is accused of stabbing his 16-year-old girlfriend over 20 times and smashing her head with a concrete block in public view in Shahbad Dairy area of northwest Delhi on Sunday. The horrific incident was also recorded in the CCTV. According to police, the victim had 34 injury marks on her body and her skull was crushed. The Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi granted time to the Central Bureau of Investigation to file its supplementary charge sheet in the land for job scam case against Lalu Yadav and his family. The case by CBI was filed against former Union Railway Minister Lalu Yadav, his wife Rabri Devi, their 2 daughters, along with 15 others. The CBI alleges that during 2004 to 2009, Yadav gained financial advantages by transferring properties to his family in exchange of appointments in different railway zones for Group D posts. Several residents of Patna transferred property to family members of Yadav, either directly or through family members, to get an appointment in the railways. The CBI submitted to the Rouse Avenue Court that they needed more time to include new facts in the matter. The court then granted the agency time to submit its charge sheet on July 12th, which is the next date of hearing. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.